Left side?
In the half wall.
Nice. No dice.
Hit. Got me right in the fucking eyeball.
Right tonight?
Yeah.